Hey everyone, this is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and we are going to begin a new section talking about creating collections and dropping collections in your Mongo database. So if you remember, up until this point we've kind of just been working with the same database we created in section 1 and the same collection within that database that we created in section 1. So we're going to go back to the Mongo CLI and just explore a little bit more about our database and about what collection we've been using, and show how to create a new collection and drop a collection. So first thing I'm going to do is type Mongo, and we're going to use our trusty show databases command. And we will see that we have our database MyDB3 here. So we're going to say use MyDB3. And now I'm going to print show collections. And you'll see we have my collection. And if you recall, this is the collection we've been using throughout the demo. All of the data that we've been reading and writing has been going to MyDB3 and my collection within MyDB3. I'll just switch over to our script real quick and just illustrate that. If we scroll up to the very top, remember we've always been setting this MyDB, MyDB3, collection, MyDB.myCollection. So we could create a new database, we could create a new collection, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to create a new collection in our database MyDB3. So again, I'm going to just illustrate that we can use our help command to get all of the information we need. And this actually contains most of the documentation you'll find in the Mongo docs online. So we say help, and then we want to figure out our collection methods. So we say db.myCollection, the name of our collection. Excuse me, I'm sorry, we were actually going to do db.help, because we want to get the database level commands, which will have the right command for creating a collection in the database. So we see we have db.createCollection, and it takes a name. And there are some other parameters we can provide here, but we're not going to use those right now. We're just going to create a new one with a name. So let's call it test1. I click enter, and we see a status of OK, and I say show collections, and we see we have a new collection. So now we have my collection, which we've been using, and we have test1, which is a new collection. And in the next video, we'll talk about dropping a collection from a database.